Piece Shockwave Impact Duty. As you guys did see, clearance, Milwaukee clearance, DeWalt, Ridgid. There are a lot of clearance out there at the stores, guys. You have to put your boots on and walk to the stores. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you guys won't miss any of these deals, any of the latest deals. I do post on TikTok and Instagram, Facebook, Deal Team 6, and here at the YouTube. So make sure you guys stay subscribed. Every time one of these deals pop ups, I do post. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we got this one down to $405 from $449. This is a Milwaukee chainsaw and blower kit. We got another clearance deal here. This is $149. That is the fan, and then we got the jigsaw for $184 was $229. And then we got here's another section here with some laser levels. These are 93 down from 154 for a 50-foot red laser level from the Bosch. And then they have a few there. That's the way it looks. It looks pretty nice. Does come with a nice case. Got the Bosch 65-foot laser measure. That's what it looks like. Pretty compact, pretty nice. And then we got the extension cord here, the 3-prong. And then you got the black resin rack. So it's like a pack out rack or something like that. So never used something like this. That's pretty nice. $45 down from $59. So then another great item to look for. This is not necessarily the lowest prices, but to look for at your depot is for these. They might drop them in price. So another item just to look at. That's a great value there if you could get that on for a good deal. All right, so $369 for the 15 amp 12-inch compound miter, double bevel miter saw. $239 for the compressor with a nailer combo. And you got some nailers. You got an angle finish nailer, $399. Angle finish nailer, $399. So you got different ones, 18 gauge, 16 gauge, and 18 gauge. So there's just a whole different ones. There are the nails for and the staplers for all the nail guns. 16 gauge, 15 gauge, and then you got the kit there, the compressor kit with the nailer, $239. And then you got the miter saw here to the left. However, this one is not a slider. Keep that in mind. I do prefer a slider, so I would definitely jump into a slider instead of just a regular miter saw. It is dual bevel, but still. And then talking about convenience, and this is a great brand to get into other than this pack out. However, this pack out does have a sale. I believe they do have a buy more, save more. So stay tuned for this video so you guys can look at that. You guys could save a whole bunch of money on this. There's a whole bunch of deals you guys can mix and match and hack, of course. You guys don't know what that is, you can ask somebody in the comments, or I'll answer it personally. Got the 3-drawer box, $179. The 2-drawer for $156. I do own the 3-drawer. That thing's really well made. $104 down from $129 for a multi-tool oscillating. And then you got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the kits on the left, you get a free battery. Free corresponding batteries for the 259, 229, and 199. Get a free high output battery. And then for the kits on the right, you buy the bare tool, the nibbler, the right angle die grinder, the impact wrench, the stubby, the new style, the new jigsaw barrel style, the oscillating tool, and you get a 2.5 amp hour high output battery. So these are all hackable as well. So you guys could get us some good discounts on these if that's what you want to do. So I would definitely purchase and keep everything if possible, because that's a great deal on that battery as well. Alright, so if you want to go retro on these, there's $28 down from $34. They're trying to clearancing this out. A table saw, something we don't see at every depot, at least here, $5.99. You got a pack out charger there for $2.49. Yeah, it's always nice to have the portability of a table saw, battery powered, especially if you can, on the field or the job site where you don't have electricity sometimes. Same thing with this miter saw. However, this one is a 10-inch, according to what it says here. So 10-inch, $5.99. That's what it cost. Wish I could get this a little bit cheaper. Definitely jump in if I could get it cheaper. This one's 72 down from 89. This is a hybrid light. However, do not pay this. I'm pretty sure they'll have like a good deal. And then they have this miter saw 219. You got the new buy one get one free. So obviously buy any of the tools, get a free battery. That is a 2.0 amp hour battery with the fuel gauge. So you guys know you guys are getting an upgraded battery from the previous batteries. You got the one-handed reciprocating saw. You got the oscillating tool. The power scrubber. That's a new one. So definitely jump on that one. Hack it if you can. And then you got the crown stapler, the circular saw. Same thing with these. These are 2 amp hour rechargeable batteries, USB. So these are much smaller, but check this out. They got the 3/8 ratchet. That is a really compact ratchet. They got other stuff here. They got a pressure inflator. They got the screwdrivers and all that stuff. Clearance, guys. This whole section on both sides, it's clearance. Let's check it out. Got a 1 3/8 multi-tool, 5-pack, sold out already. Then you got a lumen pen light, a 2-pack, I believe. That is it right there. So make sure you guys look at the clearance on those. $149 for the 5 amp hour battery and the top off inverter. It's actually a 6 amp hour battery, my bad. You got the drill driver kit for $79. You got a 3-pack of can't really read, but it's $249 of batteries. That's what it is right there. You got some shears for $112 was $249. Then you got a 2-pack of batteries there, a 5 amp hour, 2 amp hour starter kit for $199. So there's a whole bunch of tools here, even DeWalt. They got this nailer for $299, that one for $329, the 16-gauge angled finish nailer. And they got some more down here, 21-degree framing nailer, $239, that from $369. Now is the time to jump on. I'm pretty sure these are gonna drop even lower than this. So it's just gonna be a crazy season this year. There's a whole bunch of new tools dropping. You got 214 down from 254. Definitely check it out. That's for a flexible circular saw, rear handle worm style. $81 for this jigsaw. Then you got a hammer drill and impact driver with 6 amp hour and 4 amp hour batteries. These are $379. Make sure you guys pay attention to this price because you guys are going to see something similar on the other side. Alright, so you got these 4-pack of batteries for $120. These are looks like 3 amp hour batteries. You got a 5 amp hour battery starter kit for $80, down from $99. Half an inch impact wrench for $199, down from $249. I believe that's a mid torque, it's not a high torque. 225 lumen flashlight, $880, down from $997. And then you got another 1000 floating lights here, $12. That's what it looks like. And then make sure you guys be on the lookout for these on clearance as well. Same thing with this inflator. It's gonna go drop even lower, I'm pretty sure. So all this is gonna go bye-bye. Got the drill and circular saw. $64 are from $79. That's Ryobi. And they got the starter kit for $149. It's with the 4 amp hour starter kit with the high output battery. And then they got this one. This one's a 6 amp hour and 4 amp hour high output battery or HP battery for $98. Got a whole bunch of Ryobi as well, so we'll check it out in a second. They got this vacuum for $99. Be on the lookout for this at a big discount as well. So it does, I couldn't see, but check this out, guys. You guys are gonna see that kit there at the bottom. It's crazy, crazy deal. So this one's it is a 4-tool combo kit, a Ridgid. Check this out, $215 down from $429. That is a killer of a smoking deal right there. 4 tools, top of the line, the flagship model of the Ridgid hammer drill impact driver, reciprocating saw oscillating tool for $215 with 2 batteries. That is crazy low. That's like less than half. Alright, so another one, half an inch impact wrench kit for $84 and from $119. I will definitely go over the kit, the Ridgid over all these. You got the ratchet, I believe it is the kit. And then you got the starter kit there. That's $70 down from $99 for the ratchet. Then $62 for those 2 batteries. Not bad. And then you got this clamp light for $21 down from $39, so about less than half. And then you got the impact wrench there. You got some more laser level here, $49 and from $74. I believe this one's green. Got the Shockwave 45-piece impact bit set for $19.97. That's what it looks like. Pretty nice. It does have an extension bit holder there on the left. And then they got the buy one get one free. These are newer deals. We just saw these couple weeks back. $359 from $449 for this miter saw. This one's the DWS 779. A really nice miter saw. It is dual bevel slider. $39.97 for the Shockwave impact duty sockets. These are 3/8, 8-piece, I believe. $59.97 for the 5-piece. Looks like oscillating blades. You got the hacksaw kit for $149. And then you got the buy one get one free, so you get that battery for free with the purchase of any of these tools. Obviously, the jigsaw is going to be the best deal. We already went over this in the other M12 section. But yeah, guys, there's a lot of clearance. Make sure you guys double check all your aisles. Sometimes those clearance sections are hidden. And fortunately, these were at the front of the store, so I did see them very easy. They were not at the clearance section. They were just at the front of the stores with all the newer deals that they have going on. All right, they got these lights. This is a floodlight for $59, or the battery. You got the inflator for $99, or the 23 gauge pen nailer for $199. So not too bad if you need those. And then $27.97 for the 16-piece of saw blades, and then the buy one get one free as well on this one. So you buy a starter kit, get a free qualifying tool. And sander's pretty nice. I have that sander. That is a starter kit you have to buy for $199, so you can qualify for a free tool. All right. So, and then we got another. You got the top off, which is not on clearance. This one's $99 as a sale. And then they got the buy one get one free for the DeWalt. These are all hackable, by the way. So you buy any of the tools on the top. You can choose from the ratchet, circular saw impact wrench, angle grinder, drywall screw gun, drywall cutout tool, sander, a reciprocating saw, 3/8 and a half an inch impact wrench, the router. Then you get a free battery with those. You get a 2-pack of looks like 6 amp hour batteries for $179. That is a 5 amp hour battery you're gonna get for free. And those are hackable. Same thing with these. These are different. These are buy more save more. So you spend $500 get $150. Spend $400 save $100. Spend $300 save $50. You can choose from all those tools. Same thing with those batteries. Those 12 amp hour batteries. You guys could hack them. Really low. Really low. Definitely low. The router. There's a whole bunch of tools you guys could choose from here. Rear handle. Like a worm style circular saw, a sidewinder, circular saw, high torque, impact wrench, one of the newer tools out there. There's just a whole bunch of guys. I found this. This is a killer clearance deal. $752 for 120-piece impact set, down from $29.88. That is a smoking killer deal. Make sure you guys stock up on these if you guys find them. But check this out, 20-piece pack out kit set. It includes a whole bunch of 1-inch bits, some 2-inch bits there, some star bits, Phillips, whole bunch of Phillips, some more stars, different sizes, And then you got some hex, some more 1-inch bits, and some drilling bits, a bit holder, and some 2-inch bits there on the left, and some 1-inch bits there at the bottom. So 120 pieces for $7. That is a killer smoking deal. I did leave some for somebody else to get this deal. I didn't grab all of them. I just grabbed one. Left somebody some nice deals there. All right, yeah. Sometimes you come up to these deals. I do post them, so as soon as I see them. All right, same thing. Buy more, save more. You buy the $2.99, save 90. You buy $1.99, save 50. Obviously, that $2.99 is gonna get you the killer smoking deal, especially if you combine those drawers. That is gonna be a really good deal with that 3-piece pack out. You got a 2-pack of 6 amp hour batteries for $149, down from $199. This is Makita. It's already sold out, but still, I show you guys the tag. Same thing with these trigger clamps, $29, down from $36. These are DeWalt 4-pack trigger clamps. And then we got another one up here. This one's a 6-inch medium trigger clamp, $13, down from $16.97. These are all clearance. $41, down from $51 for the 36XL trigger clamp. And then that's it, guys. Yeah, definitely check it out. There's a lot of good deals out there. Make sure you guys stay subscribed. Hit that TikTok and add us there, because we post as soon as those deals drop. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.